Hello EMI fans, this is a DDJ-1000 that is pretty much new and we're having some issues with this platter. So I'm going to crack it open and see what's going on. So if we take out this platter, we're going to look at the sensor pad in here. Why don't we get a close-up on this? So here we have the platter disassembled, and this ring around here is the sensor pad for when you're touching your platter. So what was happening was the customer was touching the platter in one spot and it was getting stuck, and you could just like tap on it and it would come back. And if you look here, it seems like the sensor pad wasn't put in there properly. I'm not sure if that was factory. This unit is pretty new, so I'm going to replace this. Unfortunately, there's not really a way to just like reseat it since it's stuck in there like a sticker. But we do have a new one. We're going to put that in and hopefully get this back up and running. All right, the platter's got a new sensor pad in it, and let's put it back together. Hold on. All right. So it's all back together. Just put the final couple knobs in here. Let's get it hooked up to some audio and Serato and make sure it works. Well, as you can hear, this platter's working like it should again. And so that new sensor pad worked, did the trick. And this will go back to another happy customer.